Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. For this video, I'm going to open up another dollar bead box and bag. And in case you're new to this, the dollar bead box and bag are monthly bead subscriptions that you can subscribe to online. And they also offer sometimes some other like deals and stuff. And they also have an online store, which I have gone and bought from their online store. And it is awesome because you can buy everything for $1. But in order to do that, you have to be a member. So I recommend that you go to their website. I will leave a link for the website down there in the description bar below this video, so you can go check them out and read all the information about their monthly subscriptions. And I also wanted to let you guys know that I made a playlist for you guys, because every time I get a box, I make a tutorial or two, depending on what I can come up with and if I have enough time to do it. And I have the dollar bead box playlist, and in the playlist I have where I've opened up the boxes, and I also have the videos there that I've made, the tutorials with the stuff that I get in the box. So for this video, let's open up the box and see what's inside. So this is October's dollar bead box and bag 2018. And I'm going to go through the bag first like I always do. Oh my gosh, what is that color? Look at this one. That is so pretty. I think it's like a purple over a blue, I want to say. That's really pretty. Okay, I'm going to sort. These are 3. These are 4, this one's 3, and let's see, that's the wrong paper, where'd it go, here it is, 3mm, matte red Sangria, this one, this is pretty. This actually looks similar to one I had in the past. I want to say that it's a little lighter in color though. I want to say the other one was darker. So that's the matte red Sangria. And then the purple metallic copper luster, which I'm assuming is this one. And this one is so drop dead gorgeous. It has a bluish look to me. It's like a purpley blue. It's so pretty. I want to say that there's actually a purple coating over top of the blue to give it this really unique, beautiful look. I love this strand. And the next one is crystal yellow lined. And in my last box, I got this in a 4mm. Very pretty. I like the pale yellow. Pale yellows are pretty. And then the crystal silver lined AB, which is this one. And I think I also got this in a previous box, but in a 4mm. Very pretty. With the silver lining in it, it makes it look even more sparklier and shiny. And that's all the 3mm, excuse me. And now I'm going to the 4. So we have Butterscotch, crystal gold lined, and turquoise Vega, which is this one, and crystal teal lined. Okay, so I'm going to go to the Butterscotch first. Very pretty. I think I got this in a 3mm last time. If you look closely at it, it has a little bit of swirl going on it. Just a tiny little bit of swirls. I could see it in that one right there. I don't know if my camera's picking it up. So then after that is the crystal gold lined, which is this one here. Very nice. And the turquoise Vega. This one. This is gorgeous. I always go for colors like this. As you could tell by my nail polish, it is my favorite color. Very pretty. And this is the crystal teal lined. Very, very pretty. Love that. Ooh, what is that? Stainless steel nylon coated So it's bead stringing wire. I've never tried bead stringing wire by Soft Flex. I've only used Bead and some other off-name brand. I've never tried Soft Flex, so it's a really pretty red color. Cinnamon red. 30 feet. Wow. And this stuff is pricey, so I'm really surprised that you can get this from the dollar bead box. Because I swear this stuff is worth way more than $1. Because you can go onto the website and get this for $1. So that's kind of amazing. So that's really cool. Oh my gosh. What is this? Wow. Okay. This strand is amazing. This is a bead shape that I've never seen before. It's kind of like a rice shape, but there's a twist to it. And it's like Picasso. It's almost like a yellow Picasso. And I'm doing it again. I got so distracted by the pretty beads I forgot to go over my list. Okay, so I have to do the strands first. Ooh, I like that one too. These are the strands, and these are the other things. So the first thing on the top of the list for the strands is 2 by 3 millimeter Czech glass gem cut oval. This one. White, opal, and fuchsia, 50 pieces. This is a very pretty strand. I've already used these beads before from previous dollar bead boxes to make some really neat things. It's kind of hard to tell because of the white background, but that's what it looks like. And I need to get this paper out of here because it always conflicts with my camera, and it just makes everything that's white look dark. It's weird how it does that. Okay, so I just did that strand. Now the next strand is Czech glass corrugated Rondo. What? This one? 6 millimeter topaz rainbow iris. Wow, I've never seen this bead shape before. I want to say that this is probably some of the new shapes that they went and got from the Czech Republic. They went to the Czech Republic to the factories and the Dollar Bead Box Company, and they got some beads to bring back for us to play with in the boxes. So that's really pretty. It's a really neat shape, and again, it's like it's a rondelle shape, but it does have a little, looks like a twist to it. Very pretty. I like this strand too. Okay, so there's 2 strands. And the next one is 6 by 8 millimeter Czech glass ladybug, opaque red. Oh, these are ladybugs. I didn't even realize that. These are very cute. And they have the like stripe on them. Very cute. I love those. And the next thing is the 7 millimeter Czech fire polish crystal metallic lavender, 29 pieces. This strand here. And this is a 7 millimeter. And I've used this size from previous dollar bead boxes to make bracelets. I did a really cool right angle weave bracelet using different size beads. That turned out awesome. And that strand I want to say was like a fuchsia color. It was really pretty. And the last strand, my favorite one, is the 7 millimeter by 10 millimeter vintage German twist oval. Opaque yellow with travertine. It is so beautiful. I love it. It has like hints of blues and greens going through it. Man, I really love this strand. It's gorgeous. Okay, now we're done with the strands and we're going to the things in the baggies. Ooh, what are those? Okay. So the first thing on the additional items is the Econo hobby beading wire. Very fine assorted colors, 30 feet. I already did that. And then the 0.7 by 30 millimeter head pin. That's not a head pin. Right here. Silver plate, 100 pieces. And then we have 6mm spring ring, antique copper. These here. They've been giving these out a lot. And there's 100 in there. I don't know if I said that or not. The next thing is 9x24mm pewter cocoa pelly. I don't know if I'm saying it right. Antique brass and antique silver plate. Which is these here. Little charms. Those are cute. These would be nice to put on to a bracelet. And then I'm looking for a 20mm pewter flower. This one? Antique silver plate. 1. This is very pretty. And if you've watched me do previous dollar bead box projects, I've taken a flower that I got one time. It was kind of like a star shape, and I beaded it all around it, and I made it look so cool. And I'm going to take this out and see what it's like. Ooh, I like the back. That's very pretty. Okay, next thing is 12mm Swarovski margarita bead. And the color is crystal copper unfoiled. This one. And this is Swarovski crystal, by the way. They always put the cards in the ones that is the real Swarovski. These are so pretty. It's called crystal copper. That's what it looks like. Very pretty. I've never had this bead shape before. I've never played with it. The next thing is 14x20 Czech glass table cut pillow. Turquoise with travertine. These? No, it says 1 piece. This one? Yes, this is it. Ooh, that's cool. So it's table cut. It has the flat sides there. That's a neat looking piece. I like that. And then 10mm Czech glass opaque bellflower. These multicolor 2-piece. These are really cool. I love Czech flowers. Wow, look at those. I like the patterns on them. They make great earrings. Very pretty. Love those. I would definitely buy these if I saw them in a store. And then 10mm Czech glass tabular square. This one, fall colors, 4 pieces. Yes, oh my gosh. These are fabulous. I love those. I love beads that have like patterns on them. I think that's why I'm so crazy about agate gemstones and the Picasso and travertine beads. Because of their patterns. Wow, look at that. These are so stunning. I love those. I love these. Those are really cool. Okay. And the next thing is 3x6mm Czech glass rondelle. Orange opal. Ooh. 14 pieces. These are beautiful. They also have the patterns on them, like I said. See the little stripes? Very pretty. I'm going to take it out and see if it's like faceted or if it's smooth. It's hard to tell inside the bag. So it's smooth. It's rounded. But these are really pretty. I love those. And it's very nice to add to my orange and yellow collection of beads, because that's where I'm like really bad. I don't have a lot of yellow or orange beads. Those are pretty. I love those. And this is the last thing on the list. This is the 6mm Czech glass tabular square robin's egg blue, 10 pieces. And I've gotten these before in different colors. I think I got a turquoise and I want to say black, but I'm not sure. And maybe even some other colors. Very pretty. I love those. So after I get done filming this video, I'm going to film a tutorial for Halloween, and I think you guys are really going to like it because the project is very fast, easy, and fun to do, and everybody should have the material, so I'm really excited about my next project, and look out for it. It will be uploaded sometime after this video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and don't forget to click the bell button so you get notified when I upload new videos, and like me on Facebook. And don't forget to share the pictures of the jewelry you've made from my videos on my Facebook page, and follow me on Pinterest. Thanks for watching!